What's the meaning of accumulate? Accumulate. 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 The word accumulate means to gather or collect something over time, especially in large quantities. For example, you might accumulate wealth by saving money over many years. Or you might accumulate knowledge by reading books and articles. When something accumulates, it builds up or increases in size or amount. This can be a positive thing, such as when you accumulate savings or knowledge. Or it can be a negative thing, such as when you accumulate debt or toxins. Briefly or less, accumulate means to gather or collect something over time, especially in large quantities. This can be a positive or negative thing, depending on what is being accumulated.